All right, boys and girls. So today we're going to be doing our Mockstar data from the Mockstar you took on Monday. So you are going to complete these. It says the correct answers for your test will be read to you. Be sure to mark the answers that were wrong with the next in your test. So we're going to skip number 1 because you're not going to have a test booklet because it was online. So we're going to skip that. I am going to give you a handout that looks like this, okay? And it's going to be two-sided. On the back side, you're going to have this list here. And if you notice on here, these are red, and then there are ones that are black. Okay, so the red ones are incorrect. So on your paper, you won't notice that you won't see color, but if you see that the red ones have the correct answer next to the answer you chose in parentheses. So those are the ones you got correct, and the incorrect. The red ones are the ones you got incorrect, and so the answer choice that's in parentheses is the correct answer. Okay. So like for this person, they got number 1, 2, 3, and 4 incorrect, and they got number 5 correct. And so the correct answer, their answer was A, but the correct answer is B, and so forth. Okay. So that is what your so that's how you're going to figure out which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong in order to do step number 3, which is you're going to shade in the ones you got correct. Okay. Then once you do that part, you're going to go down here and you're going to recreate it, because up here you may have skipped, like let's say if for proportional reasoning you got let's say if for proportional reasoning you got number 1 right, but number 14 you didn't, and number 18 you did. Well, then you would have had that empty space in between 1 and 18. So down here, you're just going to shade in the number of questions you got correct from proportional reasoning. Okay? Let me go to Notability so you could see what I mean. So for example, so I came over here so you can see it a little bit better. So if for proportional reasoning, I got number 1 correct, number 18, 20, and 29. So that's not an actual like correct bar graph. So then I would come down here to proportional reasoning, and I have 4 shaded in up there. So I would shade in 4 boxes, and that would be my bar graph. Okay. And then you're going to do that, and then you're going to respond to these questions. So which subcluster did you score the highest? So which of these did you do the best in? So which one has a higher percent? Okay. And then which subcluster did you score the lowest in? So which one has the lowest percent? If the goal to score 70%, the goal is to score 70% in each subcluster, which areas should you focus on? So which ones do you think, okay, so should you focus on the ones that you like really far away from 70, or the ones you're closer to 70? Okay, so I would say to focus the ones you're closer to 70 than the ones that are far away, because that will help you more. And so then you're going to continue doing this. It says now let's dig deeper and see how well you did with each cluster. Look back at your first graph and use the data to shade in the questions you got correct. So here you're going to shade in the ones you got correct. And so here it breaks down proportional reasoning into 3 different sections. So you can see more what exactly you need help on proportional reasoning. And same thing with probability. So up here, it's just they're all chunked. For probability, they're all chunked together. And then here, they're broken down into the different parts of probability. Okay? And so that's going to help you a little bit more. And so then you have more questions to answer here. Okay? So that's what you're going to be working on today. And if you notice right here, it says 2021 star raw score. I'll provide you that. Oops, sorry. And I will also provide you your mock raw score, which is the test you took on Monday. Okay, and then we're going to set a goal for 2022. Okay? So go ahead and complete this on your own. As you're working on it, I will be calling you back to my desk to give you your raw score for 2021 and your raw score for the mock test, and until we can set a goal. Okay?